Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about how we can eat healthy in a low budget or budget friendly. Eating healthy involves planning of the meals in advance if you have limited budget. So what are the tips and tricks that we can incorporate in our diet so that we can eat budget friendly and healthy? So let's see what Ayurveda principles we can use to fit in our budget which is healthy. Ayurveda supports a lot of vegetarian diet. So you should buy seasonal fruits. You should not buy those fruits which are exotic because they are costly. And Ayurveda supports seasonal fruits, and seasonal fruits are always cheaper. So you should buy seasonal fruits. This is the first thing that you need to pay attention once you focus on your budget and you want to eat healthy. Second thing is cooking at your home. Avoid outside meals when you have low budget, but if you want to eat healthy, cook at your home. When you are cooking at home, try to eat them as fresh as possible. Before eating food, first eat fruits and then eat something cooked, and try to eat it within 1 hour of cooking. If you are very conscious about weight maintenance, if you maintain your weight, if you also want to keep your digestive fire very healthy, then Ayurveda recommends only 2 meals per day. So one meal you can take at 10 or 11 o'clock and another meal before sunset, and don't eat in between anything like from morning to evening, and then you can do intermittent fasting. But morning and evening take big meals that includes fruits, a lot of fruits, 50% of the diet fruits and 50% of the cooked food. In cooked food you can use lentils and grains in the morning, because grains when you buy in a bulk they cost cheaper. When you buy lentils in a bulk they also cost less. So you can buy and store them in your house, and this way for 1 month you can cook and eat those lentils and rice. Lentils, variety of lentils you can buy, and you can change them per day, and this way whole nutrition will be fulfilled. Similarly, you can eat oats also, because oats are also not very costly, and you can eat in the evening wheat and anything boiled vegetable along with some fruits. This way if you will eat, it is considered as very healthy diet. It is very beneficial for student or the people who are going who are staying away from their homes for the job purpose. So this way you can cook, you can eat. This is very beneficial for you. Herbs like coriander, mint, holy basil, these can be grown in the home in pots, and it will save a lot of money. Choose whole grain foods over processed foods, because processed foods are costly and less nutritious. Whole grain foods are little cheaper and more nutritious. Use dried beans over the canned beans, because dried beans are more healthier option as compared to canned beans, and they are more cheaper, sun dried and more healthy. So these are the small tips and tricks which you can try in your daily budget, in your daily meals when you're planning for whole month. And these tips if you include in your diet, this will keep you very healthy, fit and budget friendly. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.